everyone, welcome back. My name is Katia Valino. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to be doing a skincare, nighttime skincare for matured skin. So go to bed with me, come to bed with me, take it off with me, all of the above. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start from the eye area. Usually I wear eyelash extension. I have not been wearing eyelash extension for a couple of days now. I'm trying to regrow my own natural lashes back. So without further ado, the first thing we do, or the first thing I do, is take off my eye makeup. I love to use this Sephora eye makeup remover. This is when I have my lashes on, but because I don't have my lash on, I still have mascara on. So I am going to go ahead and do the first step of the eye. So when you take off your eye makeup, do not rub your eyes. Do not rub. Dab, dab, dab. When you rub your eyes, the skin around the eyes is very, very delicate. So stay away from rubbing your eyes. Rather dab, because you try as much as you can to stay away, to decrease wrinkle formation. So when you go ahead and rub your eye, you invite wrinkle to your eyes. So one cotton ball for one eye. Remember, start inside out, inside out, inside out. Okay, so at this time the eye makeup is 90% gone. The next thing I'm gonna use is, I love to use baby oil. Baby oil nourishes your skin around your eye area. So I will use baby oil to finish up that process of removing my eye makeup. So rub very gently. Again, inside out. Turn it around and finish the process. So I have everything that I use over here. After taking away the eye makeup, what I want to use today is this charcoal cleanser. It opens up your pores. It's made here in Canada. It's non-paraben. I love it because it's non-paraben product. So I'm going to go ahead, squeeze a little bit, and go on a circular motion. It takes away all the impurities on your skin. I still go closer to my eyes, but I still go around my eye area, but not really close to my eyes. And at this time, because it has a little bit of granules. And you guys know that usually I do my own DIY, but today I am using everything from the drugstore. I even go on my neck area too. So after doing this, this is not a mask, it's a wash. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. I want to make sure that everything is removed. Do not exempt your neck area when you cleanse out your skin. Very, very important. And the next step that I use is this green tea wash. I love to use the green tea wash because it finishes up the whole cleansing, and green tea wash is excellent. This is also paraben free. It helps to fight fine lines and wrinkle formation. So oh, it's very soft and smooth. Go on your gently around the eye corner, your eye area. Rub on your forehead and again bringing it to your neck, down to up, in, out, in, out. You want to smoothen all the wrinkles. Make sure the wrinkle formation is not gonna come, so just make sure you are rubbing from in and out, down and up. Now I'm going to wash this off. You don't need to wait. None of this is a mask. I use masks once a week. On Saturdays I do my masking. The other days of the week I just use wash and a little bit of mild scrub. Okay. Second wash on the face. It leaves the skin very fresh and very soft. And then I go back again because you really want to make sure that all the makeup on your skin is removed, especially your eye area. Very important. After I have washed, I still use my baby oil to do the final process of my eyes, just to check, to make sure that everything is gone. Now that the cotton ball is all clean, you're sure that your eye area makeup is completely removed. Now let's get over to the toner. One of the toners I love using is this witch hazel. This is cucumber flavor and it doesn't have alcohol. It's not going to dry up your skin. This witch hazel. So I'm going to use witch hazel to wipe everything. So after the witch hazel, I use my own rose water done by me. I will leave the link in the first comment section. Please, if you really want this, because sometimes when I say that I will leave a link in the first comment box, I tend to forget. So I spray and you dab. When I spray the rose water, I use my rolling jade to roll my eyes inside out. Make sure you put your roller in the fridge before you use it. It works more effectively when it's cold. So this helps to absorb the moisturizer on your skin, and rose water is very awesome, and rose water helps to tighten up your skin. So I roll, and this roller helps your skin to absorb moisturizer. So now after I apply the rose water, I'm gonna wait for about 2 minutes to make sure that the rose water is absorbed into my system. What I'm going to use as the night cream is So the next thing I do is castor oil. Castor oil is excellent to growing your lashes back. So if you wear a lot of fake lashes and you think that your original lashes are falling off, use castor oil. By the way, you can see that this castor oil is dark. I added some black seed powder. Black seed powder, like black seed oil. The powder of this, I added it into the castor oil. I also use it on my feet because the feet and the hands are extremely dry. But at this time, I put a little bit on my lashes and I dab it under my eyes. Yes. Castor oil, very excellent for wrinkle, to removing wrinkle and helping your skin maintain elasticity. So, and also do not forget your lips. I use castor oil for my lips because the lips get drier, they get chapped up. So if you're doing it, don't forget your lips. The same way you take care of your eyes, under eyes, is the same way you take care of your lips. So now it's time for the moisturizer. What I use is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, super anti-aging, super for tightening up your skin. So I use a little bit of aloe vera gel. And this is oil that is made by me, my DIY. This is carrot. Carrot mixed with orange together. I make two of them separately, but I mix them up in one bottle. So I mix it up with my aloe vera. Oh my God, carrot oil, orange oil, excellent for skin discoloration. So remember, go on a circular motion. Aloe vera tightens up everything. Your neck area, your face, inside out. Inside out. Because aloe vera could be dry. So if you're using aloe vera gel, make sure you mix it up with your regular moisturizer or you mix it up with oil. Excellent. Now, after applying this, I'm gonna wait for about 2 minutes and wait for another 2 minutes and then use back my roller. This is awesome. You want to make sure that all the moisturizer and everything you did is absorbed into your skin. Very awesome. And this is why you want to use it cold. The colder the better. If it's colder, it does the job perfectly. So yeah, so guys, this is my perfect nighttime skincare routine. And you can see that my skin is glazed up. It's oily. I don't go to bed right away. I'm gonna go back and sit in the living room for at least another 1 hour to make sure that everything is absorbed in my system. And hey, guess what? Summer is winding down, so a lot and lots of oily skincare is back. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me your thoughts and your comments. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. So bye for now. Remember, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, share the video. Leave me your thoughts and your comments. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.